All right, we are going to look at Kaspa really quick here. So the overall picture for Kaspa, you can clearly see the higher highs and higher lows. It is still bullish on the more macro scale, but here in the short term, where we're getting these deeper retracement levels, we've been watching from the low to the high, the 382 bounce, the fact that we're making a lower high and now a lower low. That tells me that Kaspa, at least short term, is bearish here. So we did get that deeper retracement down to almost the 618 at 4.1, and we're sitting right here on the 0.5 as we speak. There is 8 hours left on this candle here. So just keeping it real simple what to watch for on Kaspa. We're getting stuck right below the 50-day EMA at 4.4, and we have our 382 and our 21-day EMA curling down toward that at 4.5. So that's going to be your price to beat to get any kind of momentum going. If you can hold on to this 4.3 level, you're currently at 4.27. We need to bounce and get through that 50-day EMA for a 4% move, and then that 4.5 level for almost a 7% move, and then we can start looking at these higher prices once again. But as I said, for right now, off of the lower highs and the lower lows, it does look bearish right now. The moving averages, you can see, are curling down. The Heikin-Ashi candle, they're still red, but this last one does have a shadow, so that could indicate that we're about to roll over to green and maybe have a little bounce in store. But just due to the fact that we're forming this bearish market structure here, is not a good sign. The last time we made a high, you can see we came straight down, and then we had a little bounce and then straight down. And if we were to draw a fib on the chart from this low to this high, that takes you right to your 618, and then you got a nice bounce here. So from this low to this high, 382 bounce. Now we could technically call that a 618 bounce, but it's pretty much a 0.5 with a little dip below it. So if we are going to get some lower prices, but if we are going to also continue our overall market structure being bullish, we could still get a deeper retracement all the way down to the 786 here. So I'm thinking Kaspa's probably coming down to the 618 for another 5% drop down to 4. And then if we take out that 618 and that orange 100-day EMA there, potential 13-14% drop down to our 786 at 3.6 here. So there is a potential for Kaspa to come down to these lower retracement levels here and possibly get this thing a little bit cheaper. And you can see that would still continue your bullish market structure of making a higher low, and then from that point maybe we do something like this and then we go back up, kind of repeating the pattern as you can see that Kaspa has on the overall chart. So that's what I'm looking for on Kaspa. Just have patience, and maybe you'll get a 14-15% discount here in the next coming days or weeks on Kaspa, and then we'll go from there. So with that said, good luck everyone, not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.